In this video, I'll show how to perform simple linear regression on the Casio FX ES Plus series calculator. We'll generate the intercept, slope, coefficient of correlation and determination for this data set. To enter regression mode, press the Mode button. Select Start by pressing 3. To set the calculator to linear regression mode, choose A plus BX by pressing 2. Enter the x values. 2 equals 5 equals 6 equals 9 equals. Once you reach the bottom, press the down arrow to return to the top. Then move right to the y column. Enter the y values. 42 equals 40 equals 15 equals and 19 equals. When all data is entered, press AC to clear the screen. Press Shift, then 1 to open the Start menu. To view sums, press 3, and you can see the sums available here. Press the left arrow button. For variable statistics, press 4, and these are the statistics available. Press the left arrow button. Finally, let's view the regression statistics by pressing 5. A here is the y-intercept. B is the regression slope. R is the correlation coefficient. X hat is used to predict the value of x given y, and y hat is used to predict the value of y given x. Let's press 1 then equals to display A. The y-intercept is 49.46. Press AC to clear. Press Shift 1. Press 5 for regression. For the value of B, press 2, then equals, and the slope is minus 3.72. The negative slope indicates that as x increases, y tends to decrease. The regression equation is thus y hat equals 49.46 minus 3.72x. Press AC to clear. Press Shift 1 and 5 for regression. To generate R, press 3, then equals. The Pearson's correlation coefficient R is minus 0.768, which indicates a strong negative linear relationship. To obtain the coefficient of determination R squared, we simply square the value of R by pressing the x squared button, then equals. This gives about 0.59, meaning roughly 59% of the variation in y is explained by x. Press AC to clear. Press Shift 1 and 5 for regression. To predict the value of y, press 5. Suppose you want to calculate y hat when x is 7. Move the cursor to the left of y hat. Enter 7, then press equals. And that gives a predicted y of 23.42. To return to general calculation mode, press the Mode button, then 1. And that's how to perform simple linear regression on the Casio FX ES Plus series calculator. We obtained sums, the intercept, slope, the correlation coefficient, coefficient of determination, and made prediction. Thanks for watching.